Hello, students, my loving students. You are all welcome to class 1. You all have done well. Now promoted to class 1. It's a new class, and you all are welcome to my class. Yes, I'm so excited to have you all as my class students. And I hope you all are fit and fine at y'all's home and safe. Yes, as you know, due to this coronavirus, which is COVID pandemic, you see, no schools are opening. Why? Because so that we teachers and students don't get affected by this dangerous virus, so that we don't fall sick and we stay healthy. So need not worry. No school, so what? We will be having online classes. So school through online. Don't worry, it will be a very interesting this year and very exciting, because you all will be having new subjects and many things to learn. Yes, now you all have grown up, has become quite a big student. And what happened? We will really have a lot of fun and enjoy this session. I hope you have seen me. I know you all have seen me. But can you guess who I am? Yes? No. So let me tell you that I am your class 1 class teacher. And my name is Shravani ma'am. What's my name? Repeat again. My name is Shravani ma'am. Yes, children? And I will be taking few subjects in your class. That is English grammar, English literature, EVS, spelling, reading, and handwriting. Okay, children? So we will be having very interesting classes, and before I start going for the further speeches, I would like to tell you all that today I'm just interacting and introducing myself with you all. The classes will start seriously from next year onwards. Okay? I have given you all the routine. See that all your books are ready, and you should have two copies for each subject. Okay, for each subject you should have two exercise copies, and that also school copies, because whatever classwork, homework I'll be giving you all need to write, and you got to submit it on Saturday to school, which will be checked by me, and it will be returned to you on the next week. So by the time one copy is with me, the other copy will be with you all. Writing is very important. You have come to class 1. If you don't practice, my dear children, writing, then your writing speed will go down. And on the long run, when the school will open, you will be facing a lot of problem. You won't be able to copy down from the blackboard fast. Yes, student? So please follow my instructions. In your classes, I will be giving you all the detailed instructions. You only need to follow and do according to that. Then I will feel very happy about it. Yes. Another thing, that our classes which will be sent, the video classes, by 9:30 to 10, the links will be sent in WhatsApp Class 1 WhatsApp group, which you can open and follow it. I'll be explaining you all the chapters, sending you the snapshot, work out the question answers, make you do the exercises. So you need not worry. Whatever I give you, you just got to be like a good student and learn it up or write it down. Then your work will be done. After that, you can play, watch TV, or whatever you like. Yes? And another thing, before I end my class, I would give you one instruction, that is, I would like you to take one A4 size paper, white. I've got this one, but no problem. You take one A4 size paper, you'll stick your picture of your passport size photo. You'll write your name, your class, and 3 more sentences about yourself and your registration number at the down and WhatsApp number at the down, so that it becomes easier for me to communicate with you all. Yes, student? Another interesting thing is that today, before I end my class, my interactions with you first day, I would like to teach you few crazy clappings. You know how to clap? Yes. Clapping? Yes. But now I'll teach you technique of few crazy clappings. So let us do number 1 clap. First number clap is when someone wins a game. When somebody wins a game. How do they clap? That is called the winner clap. When you win something, you say a winner clap. That is how. This is what? Winner clap. Next method I'm going to teach you is twinkling clap. Twinkling clap. This is what? Twinkling clap. Next 2, this 2 is done. Number 3 clapping is going to say silent clap, means very quietly, no noise. Okay, how you clap? No, like this. How? No noise, okay? So you clap. Got it? This is number 3 clapping. Now the 4th clapping I'm going to teach you is butterfly clapping. Take both the hands, cross it up, cross your hands, cross the 2 thumbs, and then do what? This is called butterfly clapping. This is called butterfly clapping. And the last of all, children, in night, do you have chapatis at home? Yes, mommy makes chapatis. No, some of you eat chapati. So there's also a very interesting clap. Did you hear about chapati clap? This is the 5th clap. That is called chapati clap. How you clap? Now see, watch. How you take chapati? Now see. This is called chapati clap. So 5 clappings I have taught you, isn't it? One is winner clap. Next is twinkling clap. Third is silent clap. Fourth is butterfly clap. And fifth is chapati clap. Yes. You want to learn one more clap? Yes. That is last clap. Number 6. This is a special clap. If all of you can learn this nicely, all these claps, then this clap is from my side to you all. This is called good job thumbs up clap. This is called good job thumbs up clap. Come on. You got it? This is from my side to you all. So please practice and enjoy yourself and have a nice time. And last of all, few points to remember is that please sanitize your hand always. Wear a mask. Wear mask. Yes. And what? Do not go out unnecessarily. And last of all, be very good children. I will be meeting you in the next class. And you all got routines, so serious classes will start from tomorrow onwards. So bye. Love you all. Take care, students.